Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to link Ubisoft account to Twitch on mobile. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorial. Now, as you can see here, I have my Twitch mobile opened. I want to go ahead over to our profile and go to account settings. We don't have the connection options. Alright, so what we're going to do, just go ahead and open up your favorite browser. It could be Brave or Google Chrome. For example, Brave right here. What we're going to do is just go ahead and type in Twitch. Alright, then hit on go. Now once it loads, tap and hold on the first link right here. Now go ahead and click on open a new tab. Alright, tap on it. Now we're going to open up the new tab right here. Now once done, go ahead and hit on dismiss right here at the top. Tap on profile. Log in. Now go ahead and put in your username and password. Now it's going to need our verification code. Just put it down in here. Once done, hit on submit. Now wait for it to load. Now once your profile loads, go ahead and go to the bottom or at the top, just tap on the three dots. Okay. Now go ahead and select desktop site. Again, wait for it to load. All right. Once done, go to the top. Now type in twitch.tv. Hit on enter or go. And here we have the proper desktop site. Now from here, we will be able to tap on our profile. Just wait for it to load. Okay. Tap on it. Now just go ahead and select settings. Okay. I know it's pretty small. Now go ahead and go to these tabs right here and tap on connections. Okay. Once done, scroll down until you find Ubisoft. And here we have the option to connect. All right. Just hit on connect. Wait for it to load. Now here you have the connection. Now from here, just tap on get started and tap on login with Twitch. All right. Once done, just tap on authorize. Now after that, go ahead and log into your Ubisoft account. Once done, hit on login. After that, follow the simple prompts. And from there, your Twitch account and Ubisoft account will be tied. All right. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.